So
Stick around.
So we're going to use Coco to try and make the Coke rocket and see how far we can take these. We've already broken them up and we're going to put them in this Diet Coke and see what exactly this can actually do for us. Let's go right now!
And if this doesn't work, I'm kind of blaming her because she already like opened it and she tasted part of it.
You're supposed to open it to the door.
No, the initial like gas is what makes that thing go up and you open it and you release the gas. That's what really not.
But we have to open it to put the
No, when you
door.
open it, you put it up, you put it inside before releasing the whole gas. That was the
Oh, it's probably gotten the gas back now that it's closed.
If it doesn't work, that's on you. Because I don't think it's going to work after you release the gas.
I don't get it. We're going to still release the gas before pushing it. See, this is still make the same sound. Alright. Oh my god! What?
It's
What's it about to do? Yeah, put it in.
Shake it. This is so anticlimactic, bro.
Yeah, like we thought we were going to do more. Well, that was it.
That was it.
That was it. First experiment done.
I hate the way you
What did I do? You hate the way I am. That's crazy.
Can we like move on?
Why would you say that?
Because I do hate the way you are.
So why are you friends with me if you hate the way I am?
I don't know, I act myself down daily.
Never said
Yes,
that.
you most certainly did.
No, I didn't, dingbat. Listen!
I said this on TV show, I don't know if it's gonna work, but basically, I'm gonna try to get this water here back into this glass. I'm gonna try to get it into this glass. Place it in the middle, and then basically turn on your lights. That's what I'm gonna do. Turn it on. Woo! Nothing's happening. Okay, that was anticlimactic.
Oh my god! What a loser!
You're a disappointment.
I'm going to blow one dry balloon and he's going to blow a water balloon, like basically a balloon that we put water inside. If chemistry actually works, so they just make it.
Just blow the balloon. What is talk? Blow the balloon.
Shut up, bitch!
What that mouth do, Karen? What that mouth do?
Hey, what that mouth do? What that mouth do?
Nothing.
Balloon one.
I'm blowing the balloon filled with water now. Balloon
Okay, I'm scared. Oh my god.
You guys can see my mind hasn't popped tears.
Yeah, that's the whole point of the experiment. So, yay, guys! I hate the way you are.
Weirdo. Creep. Pussy.
How do you call me a pussy?
White spiders floating water. I was supposed to put like warm water. I think it's warm water in like a plate. We're using the peppers as like the ants or the spiders. I don't really know what it is. But basically, we are putting the peppers all together. And then when we put like dish soap on our hands and dip our hands into the pepper, I think it's gonna like separate. So.
Oh my god.
So
I told you he flunked. He flunked. He's not, that's why he's doing YouTube. He doesn't know anything.
we're going into the big guns now. So what the hell? If you broke my wheel, you will pay.
Really dry this experiment and warm water. He said some dry yeast. This looks like it's enough. This looks like it's enough, Jimmy.
Is this how it's going worse?
Seems like
This smells really bad.
it smells really bad.
Can you come see me soon, please?
Why is it hot?
Because the water is amazing me.
Are you?
Oh my god, this is giving me like blind baking video flashback shit. Having hydrogen peroxide right you look forward to the most? Yeah, a drop of Rubik's Cube.
Say a drop.
Say the drop. Next up, food coloring. Okay. So this is what we have right now. The yeast and warm water into the hydrogen peroxide. Gently